Okay, got it?
Yes.
So you get the answer. Okay. So the answer I will leave it to you. Okay, part B. Is X a uniform discrete random variable? Okay, uniform. I didn't talk about this word, correct? Uniform discrete. Can anyone give me a wild guess? What do you mean by uniform discrete? The word uniform, what does that mean?
Single
What does that mean? Huh?
unit.
What is the meaning of the word uniform?
The meaning
Everyone
of
is
the
the
word
same, correct? Like you are wearing uniform to school, correct? It means
No,
everyone
no.
are wearing the same thing.
There's
So
another
what
meaning.
does that? Huh?
There's another meaning. Single unit.
Huh?
A single unit.
Are you sure it's called single unit uniform?
Like, wait, wait, I get it.
You get it? You tell me what is it? What is my uniform?
Like it follows the pattern.
It follows a pattern.
Yeah.
A pattern.
Like when you put it into a graph, it will form a line.
It form a line. What do you mean by form a line? Form a line like that. If I plot the graph of X against the probability, I will get a line.
Yeah.
This is a discrete. When you plot the graph for a discrete, you won't get like that. The graph of discrete, it won't be a graph. This is for continuous. Discrete, it will be like that. When I plot the graph, I will get like that. 0. The probability is 0.1. Yeah, sorry. The probability will be 0.1. So I draw a line like that. Now, 1. The probability is 0.25. It will be like that. So this is how you plot the discrete distribution. So what do you mean by uniform? I told you, if every one of us wear uniform to school, it means that we wear the same types of clothes. Am I right? So you tell me, what is the meaning of uniform?
Having, like it holds.
Equal.
Equal what? Equal what? Equal what? Equal what?
Equal probability.
Yes, thank you. So is this uniform discrete variable? So can you answer me? Is X a uniform? So the answer is no. Because the probability for each X to happen are not the same. So they are not called uniform. Do you get me? Okay, now find the mode of the distribution. Can you find the mode? So what is the mode of the distribution? Ayman, what is the mode for this distribution? The mode is the one with the highest probability. You see, when I call certain people, sure won't answer me one.
Is it Is it at 2x? 0.45.
Okay, yes?
Is it at 0.45?
No, cannot be the probability. When I say the mode must be the value of the variable,
So 2?
the variable that have the highest probability, yes. So the mode is 2. Okay, so D. Find the probability that X is greater than or equal to 2. So since it is a discrete, then we have to do like that. Equal is included. So you have to add up. So it's 0.45 plus 0.25. That is your A. So you get 0.7. Am I right? Is
Yeah.
my A correct? Is my A
Yeah.
correct?
It's
I-
0.2.
2.2.
I don't think I'm right. If the A is 0.2,
Yeah.
Yes.
oh, A is 0.2, 0. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I miss out the 4, 5 here. Am I right?
Yes.
So this is 0.2. Yeah. Do you know why I know I'm wrong? Because 0.7 plus 0.35, it won't give me 1. So I know I'm doing something wrong. So my A is 0.2. So 0.65. Am I right? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now from this question, can I request you to find the mean? So this is population mean, and also tell me the standard deviation. Everyone start, take out your calculator and do. And can you tell me the median also? Are you having your calculator?
Yes.
Yeah, please start keying in.
Is the median 2?
Go on, I don't know. I have to check. I haven't done yet. So the rest of you, can you check? So your list, frequency list, you put L2. If you put in other column, you can type as other column. Okay, so the mean is 1.75. Am I right? So this is also the expected value. So expected value, usually we will talk about games and so on, okay? So the standard deviation is 0.887. Okay, the median is 2. So you see, you have your graphic calculator, it's very easy to count. So in this case, if I base on the table, do you know how I get my median? Do you know how I get my median? I add the probability. I see where the 0.5 come from. So 0.1 plus 0.25, I got 0.35. Then 0.35, I plus 0.45, I got 0.8. So this is more than 5, more than 0.5. So the median I know is 2. You get what I mean? You use probability 50%. That is how you get the median. So median is in here. With this property, median is with this probability. So in exam, I can ask you to find. So if I give you the value, then you can straight away use your calculator and key in and get the answer. Am I right? Yeah, you can even say interquartile range and so on and so forth. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, if I ask you, okay, show why the median is 2. So you have to use this. If I ask you to show why the median is 2. Okay. So you add the probability, then you say median is with this probability. So you know it. So median means middle. That means the probability of 50% when you arrange from the smallest to the biggest or the other way around. Can I not? So any question with question 3? So question 4 also almost the same thing. Yeah, so I'm not going to explain question 4. Can I not? Okay, can we go to question 5? Everyone, are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay, we go to question 5. Okay, everyone now should be able to know how to. So what is the variable? So you have to write down your variable. Number of tires which needed replacing on each car. So that's why the number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, correct? Can X take the value of 5? So now in this question, correct? I can ask what are the possible value of X? I can say what? Okay, I can do part A, state the possible value of X. Okay, then I can then ask you to build the probability distribution table and I give you all the probability. You get me? So I can make it in words. So this is my question. So if I say what are the possible value of X, you know a car got how many tires? 4. So it can be no tire. So if I say what is the meaning of 0? If I can ask you to explain this. Explain the meaning of 0. Or I can ask you to explain any number. Here. Explain the meaning of 0. So you say when X is equal to 0, that means none of the tire for the car needed replacing. Correct? So that is how. So how you define your variable X is very important. So when you talk about, so this is called your parameter, things that you want to study about the population. So that is your parameter. What do you want to talk about? What do you want to study? Do you get me? Okay, good. So I'm trying to tell you that I can turn this question in this way. Okay, so these are the possible questions. Okay, explain the value of X. Okay, can? Okay, so what is the answer for A? Everyone should know, am I right? What is the answer for A? So K equal to, 1 take away whatever is it. What is answer? 0.04. Good. Find the mode of this distribution. Same thing. 0. Okay, now part C. Okay, find the probability. Okay, look, when come to discrete, is 1 included? This is probability of X equal to 2 plus probability of X equal to 3 plus probability of X equal to 4. Okay, if I don't want to do this, can I write this? 1 minus probability of X equal to 0 minus probability of X equal to 2. Can I? Hello? Can I?
X. Should it be
Yes, I can
X
do
equals
that.
to 1?
X equal to 1, not X equal to 2, sorry. X equal to 1. Yeah, you are right, X equal to 1. I also can do it like that. Okay, so I can get the answer. So they say interpret this value. Okay, I'm going to call someone to interpret the value. So what is the value that you get?
Uh, 0.12.
0.12. Okay, so now interpret this value. Okay, can someone? Uma, can you explain, interpret this value? What do you mean by 0.12? Here.
The probability of the car needing more than one tire replaced.
More than one tire replaced. So is 0.12. Correct. More than one tire. This is more. This is called more than one tire need to be replaced is 0.12. So you must learn how to interpret the things that you calculate. So from here, you also can count the mean and okay. So now, can you please count the mean? What is the mean? 0.52 cannot, the mean cannot be 0.52. No way. Are you sure you do the right thing for the mean? This one you must key in L1, this one you must key in L2. Hello, don't make the same mistake again.
0.52.
0.52, no way. Hey, my number of tire, the highest is 4 there. 0.52 tire. Sure. Okay, maybe I'm wrong. Possible. Let me key in first. Or because no tire being, the one is very high, the probability. Sorry. 0.2, 0.06, and this is 0.04. And this one is 0.02. Possible. Wait. Stack, calculate one bar stack. Yeah, 0.52. Okay, so now. So listen, when we talk about mean, correct? When we talk about mean, okay. Now, what is the expected number of tire that have to be prepared? That the shop have to prepare. If a shop can service 100 cars per day. Okay, for example, so how many tires the shop owner expected to sell? You need to change. Okay, how many tires the shop owner expected to sell? Expect to sell how many tires?
52.
How you know it's 52? Because this is the expected number of tires, right? Need to be replaced by each car. This is the expected number of tires being replaced on each car. So now you know why we do it. So expected number will be 0.52, the mean times by the number of car. So you have 52. So in this way, if you have this in this way through this survey, right? So they know, okay, if I can repair 100, so in my shop, I must minimum have 50 tires in hand. Okay, sometimes it may have more, sometimes it may have less. So that's why the mean is the expected number. So enable you to plan. So mean is very good, expected you to plan. So I must plan how many tires must I store up if I'm the shop owner. Certain day I may have more, certain day I may have less. That is where the standard deviation come in, correct? Can you tell me what is the standard deviation for this case? Can you tell me what is the standard deviation for this case? 0.92. Am I right?
Yes.
The deviation can be very big. So that's why sometimes, yeah, so this is what I expect. I may have certain day I have more, certain day I have less. So the number of tires they are supposed to order in a month, they will use this as a prediction. So that means the mean is a prediction for you to do some planning. How much to stock up? Plan. Okay, you can do your budget. How much you're going to earn from there? How much I'm going to earn from this game? Make a prediction, because that is called the expected number. Now you know why we need to count in. Hello? Okay, shall we go to question 6? So any of these questions, Mr. can just turn it to become a what? Become a question for your test. Okay, shall we look at question 6? Okay, so X, what is X? The result, right? When the spinner, so usually I will write in full. Spinner alongside is spun. Okay, so now I want to build the probability distribution table. So I have to write down what are the possible value for X. So what is the result that possible shown by the spinner? We always take from the lowest. That is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, the spinner is divided into how many equal parts?
8.
Yes, so that will be the spinner is divided into 8 equal parts. Why I need to know that? Because this will tell me all the probability. Am I right? So everything have to be upon 8. Get me? So 1 take how many parts? 3 parts.
3.
2 take 2 parts. 3 only got 1. And 4 got 2. Done. I'm done with my probability distribution table. So I'm done with part A. Get me? Okay, now graph the probability distribution table. I told you already, probability distribution table, you graph it in this way. Start from 1 over 8, 2 over 8, 3 over 8, and okay, my highest is 3 over 8. So I just put 1 is 3 over 8. So I graph it. This is called the spike diagram, or you can draw it as column, up to you. Get me? Then 2 over 8, 3, 1 over 8, then 4. Discrete cannot draw as graph because they are individual. You get me? Okay, find the mode. Okay. You can also find the mean and so on. So this question, mainly I want you to learn how to build and how to draw the graph. Got it?
Yep.
Okay. Let's go to 9, 10, and 11. So the rest you can do it by yourself already, huh? Okay, if you look at question 9, in this case, or question 10 or question 11, all are the same. They give you the function how to find the probability. Like for example, question 9, correct? This is the function to find the probability for each X value. Got it? So it's like that. So if I want to find the probability X equal to 0, I put in 0 plus 1 divided by 10. So I get 1 over 10. You get me? Hello?
Yep.
So when I build a probability distribution table, they will give you the possible value for X. That is 0, 1, 2, 3. So this will be the probability. The first one is 1 over 10. The second one is 2 over 10, 3 over 10, and this one is 4 over 10. Got it? Yep. So the rest, can I leave it to you? The rest, can I leave it to you?
Yeah.
Huh? Question 12,
Yes.
13, 14. Okay,
12,
15,
13, and 14.
12, 13. Huh?
Wait.
Okay, 14 you should be able to do because I explained talking about the two spinner just now, correct? You talk about the sum. Okay.
We do
Question,
the table, right? For 14.
yeah, question 14, you do the table like that.
Okay, okay.
You put 1, 2, 3, 4. So they are all together 36 outcome. Camera. Okay, here you put a plus. Can or not? Then you can put the distribution in it.
Yeah, okay,
So
okay.
the distribution will be start from 2. The X value will be 2, 3, 4 until the last one is 12. X is the sum of the numbers shown by the two dice. Okay? Can or not? Or they put S. So you just follow. Can or not? You can either use tree diagram or like for example 13, correct? 13 I will use tree diagram because they say red and green only ma. Okay? Are you okay? So that one I leave it to you to do. Yep. So let's look at the expected value. Okay. I want to talk about fair games or unfair games. Huh? I just explain one question to you. Okay, can you please turn to page 195? Question 11. Okay, can you please read question 11? Okay, I try to consolidate the thing. I'm wrong. So that's why you have to consolidate the probability of theft. This is theft. Stolen is theft. Link. Okay, then the probability of loss is 0.03. So if I add up this, I only get 0.0325. Am I right? So if I build my probability distribution table, I must have another number. Am I right? Huh? Am I right? I must have another number. Am I right?
Yep.
So if nothing happened, okay, nothing happened, that means the value of X is 0, correct? So the probability of nothing happened, what is nothing happened? Okay, will be 0.9675. Okay, so I built. So what is my X? I define amount paid. So now amount paid. So this is the probability. So I have 0.9675, 800, 8,000, 0.03, then 0.0025, 0.0025. So that's why Mr. is, my statistic usually fumble in the number that I put in. Okay, so can you from here, you find the mean? Everyone, you understand what I mean, huh? Okay, can you find the mean? Hello? Can you tell me what is the mean?
Mean is 290.
290, huh?
Yeah.
Is it correct?
I don't know.
Check
Is it
it.
correct?
Class, is it correct? Ashley, do you get 290?
I'm not done yet, miss.
You're not done yet. Okay. You understand why I put all this number, huh? Yibin,
Yes.
you get this number? The
Yeah,
mean?
I got that.
You got that. Okay. So who want to interpret this value?
That means on average per customer, right? The insurance company will have to pay $290 to the customer. Okay.
Okay, if you
Yeah.
say like that lah. So I would like you to put in a word for each customer, for each policy holder, the company is expected, instead of saying me, is expected to do a payout to give a payout or whatsoever you want to put. Of how much? correct? So how much should the company charge on the cover of the ring if they want the profit? So if you want to talk about the charge to cover the ring, it will be the payout plus the profit. Am I right?
Yeah.
I would say expected payout.
Yes.
Yeah, expected payout there is 290 plus the profit I want to make. So you see, insurance company never running at a loss. So that is what all the policy suggests to the insurance company, correct? Actually is done by an actuaries. Do you know what is an actuaries? The one that can do a prediction. They base on the survey, they base on the past experience. All these probability are called past experience. They collect the data already, they do the calculation, they propose it to they make the estimation. So mean expected outcome, this is called the mean, is for you to make a prediction. So they have predicted, you don't have to worry. Yeah, so they do this prediction. This is a very simple prediction. Later we will talk about more difficult one. So they can make a prediction. Okay, this is a situation. So you want the profit of 100, so you add on your charge. So insurance company is definitely 100%. They know they won't be running at a loss. So actuaries, they are like writer. You come up with something that is good, the insurance company buy from you. Do you know you can collect like royalty? You come up with certain things. So that's why nowadays a lot of big company, they employ the actuaries to help them to make a prediction. Okay, if I venture into this business, what is the probability? What is the chances that I will have this progress of business? In 10 years' time, what will happen? They make a prediction for them, but their prediction is based on evidence. See or not? These are called the evidence. So that's why you want to study statistics. That's why a lot of people want to be actuaries. Actually, if you are a very good actuaries, correct? Your maths must be very good. You're not only good in calculation, you're good in prediction. You know how to interpret, you know how to make use of data. And you must be brave enough. High risk, high gain. No risk, no gain. Like Miss Doe, become a teacher. You get what I mean? You can go into actuaries. I have a few of my ex-students, they are actuaries, actually. They study, but it's not easy, I'm telling you. Whatever we learn in statistics, right? If statistic knowledge is this long, right? Miss Doe only know 1 dot. This is the amount that I know about statistics. My knowledge of statistics. If this one straight line represent the knowledge of statistics, right? I only know 1 dot like that here. So there are a lot more. So any one of y'all, you want to be an actuary, you will be much, much better in statistics than me. A lot of things that you know, I won't be able to know. That's why I say a student can anytime be better than a teacher. Okay? So interested, anyone? Want to be an actuary? Yeah, so you try to practice 7C. Yeah, Then the variance part also the same. The variance part is exactly the same. So I hope everyone, you can do until practice is a must 7D. It's very fast one to do these kind of things. You need to put into the calculator, try to ask yourself more questions. Like for example, all the questions they didn't ask you to find the mean, correct? You try to find the mean, then you try to interpret. Hello, are you clear?
Yes, miss.
Okay. So the important thing is you must know what is the meaning of mean. Why do you want to find mean? Yeah, how to build the probability distribution table. This is important. Sum of the probability equal to 1. Probability must be more than 0, less than 1. Can or not? The three things, these few things you remember, then you will be able to solve all the questions. So the rest of it, I can't help you until and unless you read the question and understand the question itself by yourself. Every question can be of different scenario. You yourself have to go and understand the scenario. You get what I mean? So statistic, I can say 95% of the effort must come from you, not from me. Because I cannot understand the question for you. Am I right? You have to read the question, understand it by yourself. So your command of English must be good also. Hello? There is no more working here. You see? No formula, no working. GC, interpret, understand the question. So actually for statistics, right, teacher play a very minor role. Student play a very great role in knowing the things. You can check the meaning of each one from the book. Okay? And I'm telling you, whatever I discuss about building the probability distribution, calculate the mean, interpreting the mean, yeah, talk about profit, fair game, unfair game. One of these definitely will make up one question of your SAT4. Okay? One question of your SAT4, the very first question, SAT5. Can or not? Student? Okay, so I will leave you to work hard for it. Thank you, class.
Thank you, miss.
Thank you, miss.
Thank you.
Thank you, miss.
Thank you, miss.
Thank you.
Okay,
Miss Do,
yes.
just now I tried to enter the code, but I couldn't.
Who are you?
Adriana.
Okay, Adriana, you enter the code, you can't?
Yeah, I can. I tried for like 10 minutes, the first 10 minutes straight.
Which code?
The code you.
Oh, okay. I saw you didn't mark your attendance. Okay, I will mark for you.
Okay,
I'll mark for you. I will take notes of that.
okay, thank you so much, Miss.